In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text in Google Sheets. If you've ever had a long note or a detailed label that runs off the edge of a cell. Wrapping text is the clean, professional way to keep everything readable without stretching your columns across the screen. Start by selecting the cell or cells you want to format. You can click a single cell, drag to highlight a range, or select multiple areas one after another, whatever fits your sheet. Taking a moment to choose exactly where you want this formatting helps keep your layout consistent, especially if you're preparing a report or a shared document. With your selection ready, go to the top of the screen and click the Format menu. In that menu, find Wrapping. When you open Wrapping, choose Wrap. As soon as you do, Google Sheets will display the full contents of each selected cell on multiple lines within the same cell. The row height will automatically expand to fit the text, so you can keep your columns at a tidy, readable width while still showing every word. Wrapping text doesn't change your data, it simply changes how it appears. This is especially helpful for headers, checklists, notes, or any cell with longer descriptions. Instead of overflowing into empty neighboring cells or getting cut off at the cell boundary, your text stays neatly contained, which makes scanning your sheet much easier. If you're formatting a whole section of your sheet, it can be helpful to apply wrapping to a selection before you start entering lots of information. That way, every new entry follows the same style from the start. And if you change your mind, you can always apply the same steps again to adjust your selection. Select the cells, open the Format menu, choose Wrapping, and confirm Wrap to maintain consistency as your sheet evolves. You'll also notice that wrapped cells are easier to work with across different devices and when printing. Because the content stays within the cell, you avoid surprises like overlapping labels or hidden values when you export or share your file. To recap, the process is straightforward. Select the cells you want to format, click Format at the top, open Wrapping, and choose Wrap. That's all it takes to make long text clear, contained, and ready to read at a glance. Try it on a few cells in your current sheet and see how much cleaner your layout looks once everything is displayed exactly where it belongs.